Hello, good evening, Mr. Manoj. My name is Manish. I'm co-founder of Bitkart, and you must have spoken to my brother regarding the bill. Thank you so much for placing an order at Bitkart. And behind the camera is Mr. William, who just spoke to you, and he's going to build your machine and going to test it for 10 to 15 hours, and then we'll ship it probably tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow morning. So let me just quickly go through the configuration that you've chosen. This is the bill. Obviously, you're going to get a bill on the letterhead. So that's the cabinet, sir. Corsair 4000D black airflow. That's your power supply, sir. This is Corsair RM 750 watts seal pack, sir. That's our XPG RAM, sir. Gaming X S5. Sorry, the NVMe 1 terabyte. This is your i9-10 generation, sir. Let's quickly have a look, sir. That's your RAM, Vengeance, Corsair, 16 gigs into 2, 3200 megahertz. That's your graphics card, sir, 3D. 3070, that's a wonderful card, RTX. Those are the body fans, sir. And this is your Corsair. It's going to be a nice Corsair theme build machine, sir. And that's your motherboard, sir. That's 590 Go with Wi-Fi. That's 590 Go. Thank you once again for placing your order at Bitkart.